Hello guys, welcome back at CLN app. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix WIX site not opening. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, you might be wondering, how do you exactly fix your WIX website here if it's not opening? Well, there are a few things that you could try. So first things first is you want to guarantee that your WIX website has been published. Now, you might be editing your website here, added all the elements that you want. It's the first time building a website. The most important part here is just make sure that you publish this. So just click on publish here at the top right here, wait for it to be published. But if you do see a pop-up here that shows or gives you the link for your website, it is not good. So you can go and click on view site here. You can even basically get the logo here. So go ahead and click on it and basically view your site and see if that solves your issue. Now, another thing that you might want to check here is going to be your domain. Now, if you added a domain to your WIX website here, typically speaking, you want to go to settings here, and usually you have or you should have the domains option here available, but this is only available for premium users. But I'm assuming you are a premium user here. But typically speaking, you just need to make sure that it's set up properly. Now, in this case, make sure to complete the whole process here. Now, depending on your domain, where you got your domain, the process itself might be different. But typically speaking, once you've added your domain here, it takes around like 24 to 48 hours in order for that to reflect. So just wait for 24 to 48 hours before using the domain that you've added to your WIX website here. But temporarily, you can still use your old, in this case, link for your website just to access it temporarily. But yeah, if you've added a domain, wait for 24 to 40 hours and see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing that might be causing this issue is this case might be your browser. So you want to go to the top right here in your browser, click on the three-dot option. You want to go to settings, and you want to go to the option for privacy and security, and you want to go and click on delete browsing data. You want to go to advanced, and you want to go and choose one of the following options. So first is you want to make sure that cookies and site data is selected here. Cache images and files is selected. Now you could also select site settings here and even like hosted app data. Now you could disable browsing history here, but I would recommend you to still use that, and also select the day that you want to erase here. So typically speaking, last 4 weeks would do great here, but just to be sure, you could choose all time here. But just to give you an idea, this will actually it will actually allow ask you to relog into your account in order for you to access that. But once you've done that, that should fix any problems in your browser. And also, if you're using or you've recently added an extension into your browser, you could go just click on the puzzle icon here or extension icon, click on manage extensions, and you just need to make sure that you turn off any recently installed extensions that might be the reason you're having issues with accessing your website, or you can even uninstall them by clicking on remove here. But yeah, so those are the things that you could do here to probably fix your WIX site here if it's not opening. But that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to CLN app. Thank you for watching.